gonna... We need some impacts now. Yeah, fighting impacts. Ah! Oh. Oh, sorry. I'm sorry. Shit. Okay. Sorry. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah,
Just go try and go through
thing.
the whole.
Just use those as a
Alright.
as a guide.
Alright. Okay.
That's brilliant. Did we miss anything off on that?
That was just my last night's experiences.
Just recall. Yeah, that's yeah.
I need to get to sub-level 6. My Farsi ability will help here.
All we got left is the auxiliary power.
All we got left is the auxiliary power.
Just the bare essentials working.
Just the bare essentials working.
The grass in here needs cutting. Badly. Who's a pretty boy then? Where's a good lawnmower when you need one? Come on, let's see what you can do. You like biting things? Bite this. You guys should play together. Great. Broccoli with attitude. It's good to be back. Okay? Let's kill something. Bring on the bad guys. I'd forgotten how much I missed this. Wear what's comfortable, I always say. Dressed for the job. Feels good to be packing again. Unbeliever, beware. Just for once, it'd be nice to walk into a room and not have the statues try to kill me. I've seen this before. All I need to do now is destroy it. Uh-oh. Caveat impious. I need a clue here. What about that inscription?
You must be kidding. Bitch! Goddamn bug face! Witch! Hag! Rotten hell!
Don't struggle. You are already dead. You can't win. I'm immortal. I can't die. I will harvest your organs. Surrender to your fate. I will rule the Nephilim darkness of mankind. Ah! Ah! Ah!
Have to use the shards. Using the shards will stop him. I need the glove to fight him. Bullets only weaken him. The shards will finish him off. The third Periapt shard.
Nothing can stop us. Our time has come.